Hello children, happy to see you all. I am your Master Sandhya from Bharatidasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 3rd standard maths 6th lesson. You all know what is our 6th lesson name, right? Our 6th lesson name is More About Division. What is that? More about division. So division means that is a repeated subtractions of the same number. Then we have a terms related to division. What are all terms we have in division? Yes, very good. That is dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Then we read what is taking division formula. What is taking division formula? Yes, dividend equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. So listen children. Our first topic is fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes. We are going to write what are all terms here we have. Okay, so we have 28, 4 and 7. What is the dividend value? What is the divisor value? And what is the quotient value? So just you keep in your mind. The number to be divided is called the dividend, or else division having greater number is called the dividend. Compare this all the number. Which one is the greater number? Very good. 28 is the greater number. So the dividend value is 28. What is the dividend value? 28. Next, you are going to take a divisor. Divisor means our table. Here, what is our table? Tell me, Potika. Very good. Our table is 4. Write here 4. Next, that quotient value will be 7. Write here 7. I'll take one more problem. Take 56, 7 and then 8. Okay. Now, tell me, Kiran, what is the dividend value here we have? Very good, my dear. The dividend value is 56. That is a greater number. Next, what is the divisor value? Yes, the divisor value is 7. And finally, the quotient value will be 8. So, this is terms related to division. Dividend, divisor and then quotient. And next we have fill in the blanks. Here you are going to find the quotient value. Okay, we have the question 6 and 24. I mean the dividend value is 24 and then divisor value is 6. So take 24 is divided by 6. You are going to find the quotient value. See, listen children, what table here we have? Yes, the table is 6 table. 6 table of 24. Now tell me Kiran, what is the answer? Oh, very good. 6 4s are 24. 6 zeros are 0. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. And 6 4s are 24. What is that? 6 4s are 24. Already 6 is there. 24 is there. Now, what is the quotient value? Very good. The quotient value will be 4. 4 6 are 24. Now 24 minus 24, the answer is 0. Here, what is the quotient value? The quotient value is 4. Okay, write the quotient value equal to 4. Next, we have the question 4 and 36. Here, dividend value is 36. Then the divisor value is 4. So, take 36 divided by 4. 4 table of 36? Yes, very good. 4 zeros are 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Next, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32 and 4 9s are 36. Yes, 4 table 36 is possible. How many times means? Totally 9 times. So, write here 9 4s are 36. Now, 36 minus 36, the answer will be 0. So, the quotient value is 9. What is the quotient value? The quotient value is 9. So, listen my children, listen carefully. We have the dividend value and divisor value. You are going to find the quotient. So, you know the table well means the answer is easily you should find. Okay. So, next we'll find the quotient and the remainder and also check your answer. Find the quotient and remainder and also check your answer. You all know how to find the quotient and remainder, right? We are going to do the division. We have the question 15 is divided by 2. 15 is divided by 2. Now we are going to check whether 2 table are 15 or not. Now tell me Tirumurugan, 2 table are 15? No, 2 table 15 is not possible. Why? Because the number ends with odd number. 2 table fully we have a even numbers only, right? 2 zeros are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 threes are, 2 fours are, 2 fives are like. So here 2 sevens are 14. Then 2 eights are 16 we have. 2 eights are 16 we have. We don't have 15, right? So we'll take a smaller number 14. 7 times 14. Now 5 minus 4, the answer is 1. 1 minus 1, the answer is 0. Then you will stop this process. Why? Because hereafter there is no number. Now you are going to write the quotient value, remainder value. Then you will check the answer. Here the quotient value is 7. Then that remainder value is 1. So listen children, in previous session I said what is checking division formula. Now tell me Kiran, what is checking division formula? Very good. The checking division formula is dividend equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Here what is the quotient value we have? Yes, 7. Then what is the divisor value we have? Very good. The divisor value is 2. Then that remainder value is 1. Now 7 twos are. What is the answer? 7 twos are? 7 twos are. The answer is 14. Now 14 plus 1. The final answer is 15. We got the dividend value 15. Yes, here we have the dividend value is 15. So our division is correct. Next we'll see the another example. Listen children. So our second question is 28 is divided by 5. Here the dividend value is 28. Then that divisor value is 5. So take 28 divided by 5. So 5 table 28 is not possible. 5 table we have 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 5s are 25, then 5 6 are 30. So take that smaller number, 5 5s are 25. Now 8 minus 5, the answer is 3. So now we will write the quotient value. Now tell me Manimaran, what is the quotient value here we got? Yes, very good. The quotient value is 5. Then that remainder value is 3. Now we are going to write the checking division formula. Checking division formula, dividend equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Dividend equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. So here what is the quotient value? Yes, very good. 5 is the quotient value. And then what is the divisor value? Divisor value also 5. Then that remainder value is 3. 5 5s are 25. Now 25 plus 3, the answer is 28. Yes, we got the dividend value 28. Here too we have the dividend value will be 28. So dividend equal to 28. So listen children, in this session you have learned terms related to division. So what are all terms we have in division and checking division. I hope everyone enjoyed the session. In this below description we have a study material, question bank and self-assessment work. So my dear students, do all the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.